Welcome to the video where we will tackle a common problem that can occur in server management. Imagine a scenario where a user has executed a command that is currently running and we need to determine from which directory this command was issued. How can we achieve this? Is there a way to retrieve the current working directory of a process to solve this problem effectively? To address this issue, we can utilize a command called pwdx, which is specifically designed to report the current working directory of a process. By employing the following code snippet, pwdx $PSAUX grab find, type f-awk print $2, we can seamlessly retrieve the directory from which the problematic command was initiated. This command efficiently combines the use of PSAUX, grep, and awk to isolate the PID associated with the command, and then extracts the current working directory using pwdx. Furthermore, an alternative method to achieve the same outcome, especially for systems lacking the pwdx command, is by utilizing ls. The command lsl procPIDcwd provides another approach to ascertain the directory from which a specific process was executed. This command leverages the proc file system to access information related to processes, allowing us to identify the working directory associated with the PID of the command in question. In summary, by utilizing the pwdx command in conjunction with PSAUX, grep, and awk, or alternatively employing ls with the proc file system, we can effectively determine the directory from which a particular command was issued on a server. Solving this problem ensures efficient server management and troubleshooting processes. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts on this server management puzzle. See you next time.